Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X9B 5G with Honor Ultra Bounce Anti-Drop display. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. The phone features with AMOLED super clear and bright display, with 6.78 inches. Full HD plus punch hole display, with 1.5K vivid resolution of 1200 by 2652 pixels, with 19.99 aspect ratio, with approximately 92.8% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 429 ppi pixel density, with 1200 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.5 by 7.98 millimeters. And it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options: midnight black, emerald green, titanium, silver, sunrise orange, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5800 mAh battery, with 35-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, NFC, IP53 water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X9B 5G has been expected price in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variants at 79,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 83,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X9B 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.